Hello class 7th and 8th. Hope you are staying at your home. Now we are continuing our online education. First you did sentences and parts of speech, then one chapter from literature, and now then you did writing portion. It was in which there was, I think, bio sketch and notices. Now I am going to start the next part of grammar. In case if you find any problem, you can just circle those problems, and as soon as the school reopens, we can rediscuss those issues. Okay? So don't bother about that. In the difficult situations, try to get as much good as you can. Okay? So now let us start the topic noun. Noun, as you know, is a naming word. What is noun? A naming word. And that can be the name of anything, such as I have written there. Noun is what? A naming word. A name. And this can be the name of anything. It can be a person. It can be any object. It can be any material. It can be any group, feelings, emotions, quality, idea, anything. If there is a name, that is a noun. Okay, then we will discuss how many kinds of nouns are there. So basically there are 4 or 5 kinds. I further discuss in this that if such as person, so it is boy, boy is a noun, object, car, noun, material by which we make the things, that is called material, that is wood. Similarly, group of students is called class. Similarly, any feeling, emotions or quality, that is happiness, like that. Okay. Then we are discussing kinds of nouns. So first kind of noun is common noun. Common noun means any common name for any community, any class, any common name. Okay. Such as I written there common name for person or object, such as boy, girl, city, car. All these are what? Common names for things or person. Then comes second number, proper noun. What is proper noun? The specific name of these common nouns. The particular name of these common nouns. Such as here I have written boy, it may be anyone. But now I am giving specific name to this boy as Ram. Then Ram is a proper noun. Similarly, there I wrote girl, but here I am writing Sunita. Sunita is a specific name of a particular girl. Then similarly, there I wrote city, it may be anyone. But Delhi is a specific name. So Delhi is proper noun, city is common noun. Similarly, car, there are many varieties of car, many brands of car. But Maruti is a specific name, so Maruti is proper noun. For example, if there is written Titanic was a big ship. Titanic was a big ship. So can you guess which is proper noun and which is common noun? Proper noun is Titanic and common noun is ship. Similarly, Mr. Ravi is a good teacher. So teacher is what? Common noun. And Mr. Ravi is what? Proper noun. Okay? Clear? Then we are coming to material noun. What is material noun? Material noun are those things by which you make the things, जिससे आप चीज़ें बनाते हैं. जिससे चीज़ें तैयार होती हैं. एंड दैट कैन बी वुड, गोल्ड, सिल्वर, जूट, copper, anything that comes in the category of matter, that is material noun. After that, collective noun. Collective noun, a name for a particular group, such as a group of students is called class, a group of soldiers is called army, a group of animals is called herd. Okay, so there I have written army, class, bunch, a group of keys or group of grapes, we call them bunch. Okay, so these are particular name for a particular group. After that comes abstract noun. See, till now, whether it is proper noun, common noun, material noun, collective noun, we can see it. But abstract noun we cannot see, we can only feel, we cannot see, because it is the name of a quality or idea or state. Such as truth, we know what is truth but we cannot see it. Similarly freedom, similarly bravery, these are names, of course these are names of qualities, but we cannot see it. That's why these kinds of nouns are called abstract noun. Clear? So this is what we call noun. Then in noun, the second category comes whether it is a countable noun or uncountable noun. Countable nouns which we can count. It has singular as well as plural. It has singular as well as plural. Such as one apple, we can also write many apples. Such as one dog, we can write 3 dogs, 2 dogs or many dogs. So what is countable noun? Which we can count. And what are uncountable nouns? Which we cannot count. Such as milk, you cannot count 1 milk, 2 milk. You can say 1 glass of milk or 2 glasses of milk, but you cannot say 1 milk or 1 water or 1 rice. So things which cannot be counted are called uncountable nouns, and the things which can be counted are called countable nouns. Now we were talking about countable and uncountable nouns. When you will get an exercise where you have to put a or some. So be very careful. If we get any countable noun, we write there a. We can write there many, we can write there 2. But if it is uncountable noun, then either we can write some or we can write little. Either we can write some or we can write little. Be very careful for it. Okay. And now the main topic which you will face first time, that is to make abstract noun with given adjectives or verb. Abstract noun. We can make abstract nouns either by adding at the end NESS, such as there was kind. Kind is what? Adjective. I added NESS with it and it became kindness. That is what? Abstract noun, a quality. Similarly, there was loud. It is what? Adjective. I added NESS and it became loudness. That is also a quality. Okay, so that is abstract noun. We cannot see abstract noun, that I explained you. Then after that, create. It is a verb. When you are getting verb, try to put TION in the end. So it was create, I made it creation by adding TION. Similarly, it is form. So I made it formation by adding TION. Then comes appear. What I told you, you can make abstract noun either by adding NESS or by adding TION or by ANCE. If it is appear, 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 and then I added ANCE, appearance. So it became abstract noun. Similarly, assist, it is a verb. I made it ASSIST and then I added ANCE, assistance. We can also make noun by joining ment, MENT at the end, such as it was agree. So I made it agreement, agree, AGREE, then I added ment, MENT. Similarly, judge, JUDGE, and what I added after that? Ment, MENT, judgment. So you clear? Either NESS or TION or ANCE or MENT, or in place of ANCE we write ENCE. Absent, we made it absent, we made it what we call abstract noun by adding ENCE, ABSENENCE, absence. Similarly, patient, so PATIEN, and CE, patience. And then two more things are there. You can add TY in the end to make a abstract noun, such as it was cruel, so I can make cruelty. It was loyal, so what I added? TY, loyalty. Or in some cases, simply by adding Y, you can make abstract noun, such as guilt, I made guilty. Honest, I made honesty. So I have also given you some worksheets. You will do them. Hope you will do them easily. If you find any problem, just encircle those problems. We will discuss either in next video or when the school reopens. Till then, bye bye.